Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, friends and viewers, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of you in my today's lecture. Today I am going to teach you environmental science of class 4th. So friends, all you need is to watch me till the end very carefully. Friends, today I will explain you living and non-living things. But first of all, we must know what are natural and man-made things. Friends, you must have observed there are so many things around us like chairs, table, water, the sun, human beings, planets, cars, buses and so on. Are these things same? No, they are not same. We see these things can be divided into two main categories. First one is natural things and the second one is man-made things. Friends, let me explain you first what are natural things. Things like sun, water, animals, plants, etc. are given to us by nature, so they are called natural things. On the other hand, things like chairs, buses, houses, aeroplanes, tables, etc. these are made by man, so we call them man-made things. So let us move towards our topic, living and non-living things. Dear students, you know that living things can move, breathe, reproduce, etc. while as non-living things cannot move, they do not breathe or reproduce, so we call them non-living things. But question is that what is the difference between living and non-living things, which I am going to explain you. Dear students, all living things move. We see over here that human beings and animals use legs to move. Birds use their wings to fly. Fish use their fins to swim. Dear students, for what purposes? In the search of food, water, shelter, and protect themselves from their enemies. So, dear students, can plants move? No. Plants cannot move. They remain fixed to the soil. However, different parts of the plants like flowers, leaf show some typical movements, like we see sunflower moves towards the direction of the sun, and another plant, touch me not, folds its leaves when touched. Dear students, do your toys move from one place to another? No. Why? Because these are non-living things. So we came to know over here that all living things move, but non-living things cannot move. The second point is all living things grow. We see over here that little puppy grows into a dog, a kitten grows into a cat, a human baby grows into an adult. In plants we see a seed grows into a small plant which further grows into a big plant. So friends, let me ask you a question. Does your pencil grow into a big pencil? No, because it's a non-living thing. So non-living things do not grow. Dear students, another point of living things is that all living things need food. All living things need food to live, to grow, to get energy and to stay healthy. Means they need food to survive. Here we must know that plants make their own food. or we can say plants make their own food by themselves with the help of water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide. So another point we must know over here that non-living things do not need food because they don't have life. Another point of living things is that all living things breathe. We know that as humans we take in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. Plants, they take in carbon dioxide and gives out and gives out oxygen. So animals like cat, dog, these have also lungs for breathing, as we see in humans. So far as fish is concerned, fish breathe through their gills. So this is a very important point which we must remember, that fishes also breathe but through their gills. Without breathing they can't survive. So far as non-living things are concerned, they do not breathe because they don't have life. Dear students, let me ask you a question. Can plants breathe? Yes, plants also breathe through their tiny pores. Plants also breathe through their tiny pores present on the surface of their leaves, and we call them stomata. Another point of living things is that living things feel. Living things feel. Dear students, as we know, we have 5 sense organs, like nose, eyes, ears, skin, and tongue. So with the help of these things we feel. Animals also feel, like dog wags its tail when it sees its master. A cat can smell mouse, and similarly plants also feel the things around them, like the leaves of the touch me not plant fold up when we touch them. Dear students, let me ask you, if your doll falls from the chair, does it cry? No, because it's a non-living thing. So non-living things do not feel. So dear students, another important point of living things and non-living things is that living things reproduce, while as non-living things do not reproduce. We see over here that first of all we must know that what does reproduction means. Reproduction means to produce more living things of the same kind. But we must know over here that living things reproduce in different ways. Like humans and animals give birth to their babies. Some animals like birds, fish, snake, frogs, these lay eggs, and most of the plants produce new plants from the seeds, and some plants also produce new plants from their leaves and stems. So with these words, I hope that you must know that you might have understand what are living and non-living things. With these words, I see you off. Take care. Thanks.